Hey guys, today we are making this cute little meringue cookies, which is perfect as a gift for your special someone. Today I'm making as a birthday gift for my mother-in-law, and she loves teddy bears, so I think it's perfect. So let's get started. So first, let's make the meringue. In egg white, add sugar and quickly mix. Now we're gonna heat this up with simmering water. Once it reaches to the temperature, remove from the heat and quickly start whipping with high speed until it gets fluffy. Touch the bowl, and when it feels slightly warm, turn it down to medium-low speed and whip for about a few minutes. And meanwhile, sift cocoa powder ahead. The meringue is done. It should look fluffy and shiny, but elastic and stretchy also. Now take about 1/3 of the whole for red color. Take 1 tablespoon for pink. I simply used the excess left meringue on my spatula to create the pink color this time. Take another 1 tablespoon for light brown. And take another 1 tablespoon for black color. Now into the rest of the meringue, add cocoa powder and some brown coloring as you like. Today we are using these pastry tips for the parts, but does not have to be exactly same ones. You can use whatever you have at home. Use a toothpick or something sharp like that to smooth out the surface. In total, I could make about 18 meringue cookies. They were about 6 centimeters long, which is about 2.4 inch. But you can pipe into the size you like. Just know that the bigger they get, the longer you need to bake to cook through the center. So they're going in the oven. Bake at 90 Celsius or 195 Fahrenheit until they are hardened and not soft anymore. With the size I baked today, it took about 2.5 hours. It is very light and crunchy, and you can really taste the chocolate, which I really loved. It is so good, and I think you're gonna love it too. This is a great dessert to give to someone far away also. My mother-in-law got it safely after like 2 days, and my mission is complete.
Hug, hug.
Hugging.
Hug bear, right.
How? Hug bear.
What? What does it mean? More? So just a couple things. First, about the baking time and temperature. Depending on the oven, the heat is stronger or lower. But when you bake meringue, you really want to cook with low heat for long time. If you don't do that and bake with higher temperature for shorter time, first of all, the surface is gonna get toasted. Also, a lot of time you see a lot of cracks on the surface. So when you see that with your oven, that means you need to lower the temperature next time. Also, it's very important that when you don't want to eat right away and want to save it for later, store in an airtight container with silica gels inside. I highly recommend you to get that, especially when you cannot eat right away or if you want to gift it to someone, because meringue cookies can get very sticky and get humid and lose the crunchiness after it sets for hours. So those silica gels can soak up all the moisture, all the humidity, so that meringue cookies are not going to. By the way, for more in-depth tutorial about Swiss meringue, watch this video. I call it Swiss Meringue Masterclass. I think it will clear out a lot of the questions you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.